I work hard because I have no one to fall back on. I can't fuck up. I am the backup. Car has problems, you don't go looking for other cars. Instead, you fix what's broken because it's always better to repair something than to replace it.
If you've been on TikTok, then I'm sure you've seen these types of videos. These videos are motivational videos. Making these types of videos takes less than 10 minutes using a free software on both mobile and PC called CapCut. These types of videos are very popular on TikTok and they are getting millions of views on TikTok, which is why today's tutorial I'm going to take you through step by step on how to create these types of videos using AI. Hi everyone, my name is L, and in today's video we're going to dive deep into how to create these viral motivational videos that you see every day on TikTok. These are some examples of theme pages that are uploading similar content, and trust me, some of these pages are making between $500 and $1,000 per month just running advertisements on their page. And some of these theme pages on TikTok are even doing affiliate marketing by promoting motivational affiliate products. Another way you can make money with these types of theme pages is to start a print on demand business or a merch business and promote it with your page. Enough being said, let's jump into the tutorial. Looking at these types of videos, you could clearly see that an AI image generator is used to generate these images and an animation is being added to the image. For this one also, you could easily tell that they downloaded this image from Puzzles or a free stock image website. Step number 1 is to generate motivational quotes, and to do this, we are going to use ChatGPT. Head on to OpenAI and sign in with your Gmail. Once you're in your Gmail, we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate us 5 motivational facts. Click on enter and ChatGPT is going to generate these motivational facts in less than 1 minute. Once you have these facts generated, what you need to do next is to copy one of the facts. The reason why we are doing this is that we want to generate an AI voice with the fact. So I'm going to click on copy, and step number 2 is to generate the AI voice. To generate the AI voice, we use a tool called 11 Labs. Now, this is the best and advanced text-to-speech voice cloning software I've ever seen. Create a lifelike voiceover like a human. You can either sign up or sign in if you have an account. I'm going to use the demo option. So I'm going to click on paste right here. And once I click on paste, I'm going to use the voice that says pre-made Adam. This is the voice everyone is using on TikTok, so you can decide to use that one as well.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success.
You can copy the other facts that ChatGPT generated and paste it here one by one and generate the voices. All we have to do now is to click on download and the voice will be downloaded. Remember, I told you an AI image is used to generate the motivational video. So step 3 is creating AI images. To generate images, we'll be using Bing Image Creator. This free AI image generator is free on Microsoft Edge. You can type in anything that comes off head. So I typed in a dark soldier at war and I'm going to generate the image. So I'll click on create and the image is going to be generated in no time. After waiting for like 30 seconds, these were the types of images that were generated for me. Simply click on download to download these images. There are 4 of them, so I'm going to click on the next one and then download the next one, and then I'll also download that one as well, and then the last one, and I'll also download. Step number 4 is downloading images from Puzzles or any free stock website. Our competitors on TikTok mostly use GIM images and videos to generate these types of motivational videos. Head on to Puzzles and type in GIM in the search bar. Once you type GIM, filter it by vertical. So I click on filter and then head on to all orientations and then select vertical. Vertical means you are uploading it on TikTok, right? From here, we're going to switch from photos to videos. Search through for a video you like. I found this video, so I'm going to click on download. Click on the video and then select free download. Your video will be downloaded in no time. Make sure you download 10 of these types of gym videos and then use it for your motivational videos. Now we have all the assets to create these motivational videos. So the next step, which is step number 5, is editing. Open CapCut and then select New Project. Once you click on this, we are going to import photos and select the images we generated with Bing Image Generator. Click on Add to add the image to the timeline. Here, click on Ratio and select 9:16. Click on the images on the timeline and adjust it to fill the whole screen. We are going to do the same thing for the rest of the 3 images that is left. And so I'm going to skip through really fast and do it. Alright, once you're done, we're going to select Style, scroll and then select Motion, and then select 3D Zoom. It's going to take a while to add this effect, and so I'm going to do it for the rest of the images as well. Next, select Adjust, scroll and select Vignette. You can adjust it to any preference that you want. Right from here, I'm going to put it at 22 and I'm going to close it. Then extend it to the bottom of the timeline. Select Effect and then select Video Effect. Click on Black Flash 1. Once you click on this, you'll be given the option to adjust the black flash or the filter. So you kind of decrease the speed to 40. You can also decide to play around with each of the options here to suit your liking. I'm going to set the twist to 26 and then the intensity to 13. I am also going to set the speed to 16 to make it look more realistic. Select the black flash effect and then drag it to the end of the timeline. We are done with the visuals. Let's add audio to the video. Go to the main menu, select audio and select sound. Select the folder symbol right here and select from files. Select import from files and then I'm going to locate the audio we generated with 11 labs. Select the audio and then click on open. It will be imported into the CapCut app.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness.
Click on the addition sign.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your...
Click on any of the images right here and then select copy in the options below to duplicate the image. Reposition the image to a different location. The next part is adding subtitles to the video. To do this, go to the main menu and select Text. Once you select Text, select Auto Captions. Select the first animation you see or any type of animation. Click on Start. This will automatically generate the captions that will be placed on your video for you. When the captions are done generating, we are going to edit it one by one to see if there are any mistakes. Click on each of the captions and select Style. Select font and look through if there are any fonts that you liked. For me, I usually use a font called Dida. So I'm going to select Dida. The next thing to do again is to select Style and then select Stroke. Select Black. Increase the thickness to 100. When you are done adjusting it the way you want it, close it.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success.
Now it's time to add some sweet soundtrack or music to the video. Select audio and select sounds. Right from here, you can search for any sound you want if you already know that sound, or you can either import it. Click on the plus sign to add the sound to the timeline. Adjust the volume to 30. If it's too loud, you can set it back to 15.
Many successful individuals face
The sound is too loud, so I set it back to 15.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success.
The final part is to export this video. Click on the export symbol at the top right corner and then export the video as 1080p 30 frames per second. For the next type of motivational videos, we downloaded the videos from puzzles.com. Select 3 of the videos and import it into the timeline. From here, we are going to click on audio and add our audio. Click on sounds, select the audio. Click on the plus sign to add the audio to the timeline. Once you do this, it's going to add the audio to the timeline. The next thing we need to do is to generate the captions. I'm going to trim the videos in the timeline to 4 seconds to fit the video. From here, I'm going to select text, select auto captions, select the first animation, and then click on start to generate the captions. The captions are being generated. The next thing is to hold the font, drag it to the middle of the video, and then select style. Select font and then look for a font. I usually use Dida. Here I'm going to use Avani Nest. Right. You can play around with the font by adding shadow and stroke to the font, but I think this one is quite okay. You can also decide to add transitions to the videos that you trimmed to make it more epic.
And failure.
Select any of the transitions here, and then I'm making it more epic. The next thing to add is a sweet sound, and I'm going to search for a sound that I imported. Then I'm going to set the volume to 15.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about...
Like I said, you can play around with any of the transitions you have at hand.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success.
Trim the end of the music because it's too long, and delete the rest. Right from here. Alright, so that's the final thing we are going to do. The next thing is to import the video that we just edited.
Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success. Many successful individuals face numerous obstacles and failures before achieving greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up that truly defines your journey to success.